Hi, I'm Sam Marie with Sam Marie Fitness, and today I'm going to go over organizing your workout clothes to help streamline picking out an outfit. That way you can get to working out a whole lot sooner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like if you like the video. Leave a comment down below of your best tip for organizing your workout clothes. This is my closet. I'm actually pretty proud of how it looks right now. I decided in the new year to do a lot of organizing, and so yes, I share my closet with my husband, but this half is mine, and I'm gonna go over today how I have organized it so that I can pick out an outfit and quickly get to my workout and not waste precious workout time picking out an outfit, or if I decide to pick out my outfit the night before, it's a whole lot easier for me to plan that outfit. Whether I'm doing it that morning before I work out or the night before, it's ready to go, nice and quick and easy. Here's how it works. So here I have my workout tops next to my workout bras. My sports bras and my sports shirts are all together. Long sleeve are on top, short sleeve tank top here. Then I have my shorts and my workout pants. Notice all are within easy reach of my upper body. When you put things at eye level, you're more likely to see it. So when I open my closet, I am less likely to say, oh, I forgot about this. Come up with some reason why it is I don't want to work out. When I'm planning my workout outfit, the first thing I actually pick is shorts or pants. I also have capris mixed in with the pants for leg day because I get hot and I don't want to wear pants on leg day, but it's the time of year where it's really cold, so I don't want to wear shorts because it's like the high is 11. What I do first is I decide if I'm going to wear shorts or pants. If it's leg day, then I go for capris. Pants today, it's not Monday, so it's not leg day. Next, I decide what I'm going to wear as far as a top. If I'm doing a lot of cardio, long sleeve shirts are out. If I'm going to be running outside, then I will wear a long sleeve shirt, or if I'm going to be doing a light day and not do a whole lot of training because I don't have a lot of time, I'll wear a long sleeve shirt because it's really cold right now. Otherwise, I pick a short sleeve shirt. Today, it's sunny, it's kind of warm downstairs from the radiant heat, which is where I'm gonna be working out. So I'm going to pick a short sleeve shirt. What I do is I just grab the first one on top and then I can rotate them out because all of these workout shirts are workout shirts that I love. That's the other thing I've discovered is getting rid of those that you don't love and then just having to choose from the ones that you do love instead of having such a plethora of workout clothes. I know it still looks like I have a lot, but I really like all of them and I wear them all frequently. So to keep them rotated out, when I do my laundry is I take my clean one right out of the laundry basket and I fold it neatly and then take it, lift up and slide it on the bottom. And then it keeps everything nice and neat and it keeps me rotating out my workout shirts so I don't wear the same ones over and over again. Based on the top I've picked, which in today's case is this one, I like to pick a workout bra based on my top. And a lot of them will work for any outfit. And again, I try to rotate those out, but I also try to keep in mind that I want to look cute, especially if I'm working out for my husband or filming one of my workouts. So I want to make sure that my outfit matches. Like that doesn't really match. This is the bra that was on top and it doesn't really match. So I'm gonna sort through and try to find one that does. And with this one, I actually like to wear my black strappy bra because you can kind of see the straps and it looks cute. And you know, if I'm working out with my husband, I wanna look nice for him. The last thing that you've gotta think about, the last two things I guess, are your socks, which I keep in this little bin right here, and my unmentionables, my underwear. If you're picking out underwear, just pick something that's comfortable. Socks, all I have are sports socks because that's pretty much all I wear anyway. If I'm not wearing workout shoes, I'm still wearing tennis shoes or my boots, which I still wear sports socks because they're comfortable. They're extremely versatile. It's what I always wear. I just got rid of all my other socks because they were totally useless. If you want to know how important they are, check out my video about running, and I did a running video on picking out different workout things, and the socks were one of them. They make a world of difference when you buy sports socks, I promise. So, totally matching outfit. Now I just gotta change. Now it is a little cold, so I'm gonna throw on an overshirt until I warm up, and then I'll take that off and be able to work out. But in the meantime, a sweatshirt. By the way, put your open hangers near the front of your rack and it will make it much easier to put your clothes up later rather than fishing for empty hangers. It's a 3-second task. Instead of just pulling it off of the hanger, you take the hanger off, put it back. It helps a lot. It's a great organizing thing that I've started doing lately. If you liked the tips in the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.